AED units are needed as soon as possible in the event of a cardiac arrest, and a good way of making them available quickly before the ambulance arrives is to place them in the community. Community AED units can be found in local shops, churches, pubs, community centres and many other places. They can also be found in businesses. In this example, a community AED is placed outside a village store where it's central for the local community. Being in a place where everyone can see it increases the chance that it could be used in an emergency. In this example, the AED is located in an old red phone box. It's in a more remote location, but there's parking and it's easily accessible by the local community. When the emergency services are called, they'll give you a code and you enter the code into the lock, turn the handle, and then you have access to the AED unit. The hope is that this AED unit would arrive on scene before the emergency services. It could save valuable time. Remember, every minute of delay in the AED being deployed gives a drop of 10% in the survival rate. If we could get there in 2 or 3 minutes earlier than the paramedics arrive, the person's chance of survival is much higher. Community AED units are usually maintained by the community or local businesses. There is now a national database which makes it easy to locate your nearest AED. You can also search the internet for your nearest AED. If you're a business, it's worth noting where your nearest AED is so that the information can be easily found should one be needed.